Thank you for being kind. Hindi naman masterclass yan. Ang feeling ko lang, after several years, kasi I'm probably double, lalong-lalo na yung lawyer kanina, no? I'm probably old enough to be her grandmother. Di ba? So, sana gusto ko nga pagbigyan kasi syempre first time niya mag-appear. Kanya yung inargue niya na hindi sila nag-file down ng pleading para sa ng comment dito sa judicial notice. Pero mag-argue na lang sila. Ang gin-argue naman, binasa naman yung pleading. Sana final na lang niya, no? But I understand that. For instance, pag ganyan, alam mo na kung matagal ka na sa practice, walang nakikinig sa ganyan. And as you can see, it would have been better for her to have just filed the pleading. In any event, it's not a master class. It's just that sanay na tayo eh. It is experience. But again, I will always say, even with 48 years of experience, there is no substitute for preparation. Kung makita nyo lang kung gaano mag-prepare ang public tsaka private prosecutors, buti na lang, binibigyan kami ng pagkain, ano? Breakfast, noon, and night, no? Kasi kami naman, volunteer. That is actual preparation. Si Kong Joel nga, kasama niyang matulog yung rules of court niya. Ayan, gano'n yung rules of court, no? Kasama, pag tinanong mo siya ngayon, Kong Joel, ano ba yung Rule 130 on admissibility? Aba, sasabihin niya sa inyo. Kasi minemorize niya yan. That is why it comes. It comes naturally. It comes with this level of confidence. Hindi uwido to. Hindi tayo nag-uuwido. Nag-aaral tayo at ini-evaluate rin natin kung paano i-present ang evidence. Lalong-lalo na voluminous documents. My own standard is myself. I am the judge of myself. If I am there in the audience and I am bored, that means I'm not doing it right. I am my own judge. Kunyari, kung ganitong argument, kung mabobore ako. So that is my guideline. At saka pag nakita ko itong mga katabi ko na nagsi-cellphone na ganyan. Pag makita mo yung mga senator judges na kunyari nakikinig na ganyan pero nagsi-cellphone na ganyan, ay change gear ka na. Mag-corrective ka na, mag-corrective measures ka na. That means you're not interesting, you're not communicating, or it is too long. As I said when I made my first manifestation, I said, know two things. Know when to present and not to present. Paikliin ang presentation and know when to stop. Yun. Some of us don't know when to stop. And I will not name these senator judges.